Mr. B, where are you at? What are you doing?
Yo, where you guys at?
We're over here torturing this kid, Mr. Weston.
Mr. Weston?
That's his name. He's a little child who's screaming, so we're killing him. We're also having a little bit of rape.
No lube.
We're going deep, hard and fast, and in a sexual manner, not a I like you type of thing. You get it?
Oh, what am I hearing, man?
We're over here molesting this Mr. Weston and his anal. We're over here molesting Mr. Weston in his anal cavity, son. Just making sure he doesn't get the fucking poop.
Oh my God, what am I hearing?
He likes the
Well,
rape
you're
though.
hearing a little bit of trucker talk about some sneaking into his fucking holes and letting Mr. Weston never forget who we are.
What?
Mr. Weston, you'll never forget this night. You're never gonna forget. Come here, Weston. We're gonna get in that little tight pooper.
Or you guys in the cave?
Now, son, we're over here on the truck route 59, chasing Mr. Weston down. And we're gonna penetrate him deep.
You guys are pretty far, man.
Thank you, I do appreciate the compliment.
Coming in hot.
I'm glad to be coming inside of Mr. Weston, if you know what I mean.
Where's Mr. Weston at?
Right in front of you, son, right in front of you. Shot him in his penis. He disconnected with my arrows.
Oh, God. What are we going to do without that little boy?
I beg your pardon, what was that, son?
Are you shooting, man?
What was that?
Are you shooting?
Shooting? What you talking about? Hey, son, that's not fun.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Son, I reckon you don't want to do that. Do you like
We only
penetration
kill
of
children
anal
in here.
cavities? Because we'll get in you too.
Listen, Black Pappy.
Mr. Weston,
back
this is
here.
just the first of our little training
it,
situation today.
we're gone.
I'm on top of you. Just the way, oh shit, I fell out.
Oh, let's get to the gangbang.
Hold on, let me get back inside you. I'm slipping in. Oh, I almost had her. A little too big. I'm in, guys, I'm in. Oh, that's my jam.
Oh,
Trucker
God,
jam.
I just reached my pushy way.
Woo, let's go, we're good. How do I back up this piece of shit?
You're gonna hit the back button.
You know what? I'm not feeling it.
What are you not feeling? Oh my goodness, he killed me.
You guys alright?
Son, my penis was shut off. I will be
Are you guys
getting
doing
inside
this
of
legit?
Mr.
Are you guys
Weston.
doing this with sheets?
What about sheeps?
You doing it with sheets? Or is it legit?
Oh, you mean Jewish style with the hole in the sheet?
Yeah.
Hey, shot me in the dick. Well, where it used to be. Oh, we're stunning each other. Oh, you stunned my penis again.
Oh, you guys don't have sheets then?
Sheets? No, we're not Jewish. We don't fucking chew sheets.
Does he need help?
Yeah, I'm gonna light him on fire.
No, chill.
You told me to take him down. That's the trucker way. I don't like
Are you guys
this.
doing this legit? Is this legit?
This is a house I'm lighting on fire. Get out there.
No, chill!
I'm lighting the house on fire, son. I've had enough of this. Killing my wife and kids in there. They're sleeping. Killing my wife and kids while they're sleeping. Hey!
You need help, man? I'll revive you, man.
I do
You good,
appreciate
you
that. My wife, no! No, Darlene! No!
Holy shit, man.
Chronic masturbate.
Darlene, I didn't
How'd
mean to
that die?
burn you and the baby.
How'd that die?
I burned down Darlene and the baby on accident. I had a
He
little
is
too much
burning
to drink.
Darlene down.
I had a little too much to drink. I burnt the house down while they were sleeping. They're dead now.
Damn, bro.
Oh,
No,
Darlene.
I like that house.
It's all right. Darlene was in it. Get out of here, son.
Chill.
You chill. Over here, fucking way too warm. You need to get in the cold and chill, son. I didn't like
Damn,
either of
he
them houses
destroyed
either.
Darlene.
No, Darlene been dead. I'm
Hey,
slacking.
if you don't chill, I'll blow up the house, man.
What? Don't be doing that. My balls are barely attached at this moment.
Chill, man. Chill.
He's got
You don't want to do this, man.
He's got Jesus mode on. Jesus, he's Jesus.
That
We
bitch
got-
sucks big cocks.
Who
Oh,
the fuck is
Jesus.
this? Oh, shit!
Jesus sucks the biggest cock.
Oh, he's bricked up.
I killed him. They're dead. He's running. We gotta run him. I think he's dead. He's not. You gotta get put down. He's dead.
I got me a walking, talking flashlight.
What is that?
It's a walking, talking flashlight, son. It talks to you.
Drop
How you
it.
doing?
Drop
I'm
it.
Darlene. I'm Darlene. You killed me. You shouldn't have done that. You killed me. I'm Darlene. See, I told you it talks.
Drop
You
it.
don't want to listen.
Drop it.
Ah, drop the gun, officer.
I got that giant haircut.
What about a haircut?
Oh shit! Yeah. Holy shit!
I feel like you got one of them Edgar Bowl haircuts.
It took us 6 days to build this fucking house.
That ass?
6
Well,
days,
it's not
7
alive.
nights.
You want me to build you a better one? What you want?
Yes, build us a better one, Poppy. I'm all bricked
I
up
got
just
you, I got
thinking
you.
about it.
We gotta keep those blats out.
You don't want no blacks in here, son.
No.
What you want? Which house you want?
The one that looks like a mansion, a tree house. It's a mansion tree.
The tree house? Where do you want your tree house
No,
at?
I want a mansion tree house. Like, I want it to look like a tree, but it's a house. I want to be able to climb inside of it, like I climbed inside of Darlene before she died.
Oh yeah.
Alright, man. I'm gonna build you this house.
All right, well, I'm gonna go sit here and finger my butt over in the corner. Don't mind me.
It might sound like stirring macaroni, so don't mind me.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. You know how to. Yeah. Oh God. Oh yeah. God, yeah. just shot. All over my clothes. Poppy. I was thinking about you the whole time.
You be my puppy.
Did you beat his puppy, Poppy? Poppy, that's not a house.
Guess what?
I'm gonna build you a better one. Which, you want to see how?
I want that one. The next page.
I want a good slave house.
Yeah, we're gonna need us a little cotton farm.
Cotton farm? Why you want a cotton farm?
Did you not hear what the other man said?
Making cotton for the slaves.
Why you guys wanna,
Look here, son, I don't know what times you think this is. Have you not seen where he is? We're gonna need us a slave or two.
No,
We
man.
need like 6 slaves, man.
Maybe honestly, we might need like a whole team. A carfuffle.
Alright.
That sounds like a good word to use for that type of thing. I like the platform. Oh shit, I got shot in the dick. Actually, I think that's my face.
What's Bert doing there now, dang old Bert?
Bert's burning off.
Can't see it. Can't see it.
I was way different in my pants.
That BBC.
What's that for you, baby?
Do you want to box me?
Oh, sweet.
That turba.
No, it's the Asian girl. With her good juicy DP, that's what you win, Bert. DP.
Butthole's butthole if you're gay.
Where'd our trucking friend go? Mr. Poppy. So when the
What
pieces
happened?
bricked up his eye.
How do you
Bricky,
got
let me
it?
see that brick. I want to look at it. Oh boy, you is bricked up.
Abortions in the morning.
My God. How big is that thing? Jesus fucking Christ. That thing going past your knees. Fuck,
It
mine,
is,
like,
man.
does
It's
it-
huge.
well, I mean, mine doesn't even go past my balls.
Mine goes past my toes.
Jesus Christ, you are bricked up. I don't know how to
God
pick it
loves
all
you,
up.
son.
Yeah, you're a little luckier than some of us, but you know, Darlene didn't care because she's tied up the whole time anyway. Here's a piece of wood.
This is not the wood you want. You want this one over here, this
Yeah, you
one,
want that
and this
wood.
one.
Oh, you got wood over here? Oh, Poppy knows best.
Puppy.
Oh, Poppy. Yeah, build that house.
Oh, puppy.
What do you say, man?
Poppy and his puppies. Oh, yes. Cutting down trees.
Oh, puppy.
Oh, Pappy.
Oh, puppy.
Oh, Pappy. Pappy. We're over here bricked up waiting for you to join in.
Why can I not put this shit down, bro? Fuck!
It's because you're black.
What race is you? Let me check you out.
He's a black.
Oh my God, he is. He really is.
Watch
You
out.
looking at this?
They know I don't pay their taxes.
Look at them lips he got on him.
No, it's definitely busted. He's right. He's right.
My
This is
God, that
fucked.
nose.
Yeah, mm-hmm. Man, you can't even do this
Christ,
thing
look at
here,
this.
man. It's all
What you
sorts of
mean, no.
We don't have a gun
Fucked
out,
up.
son.
fucking
Hey, don't hit
bullshit.
me with your peener.
You want something? What you want?
I want nachos.
salad. Oh, yeah, you got nachos?
Stop hitting me, man. Not cool, man.
It's not cool, son.
I left. Tickle
Oh,
my taint.
goodness.
Yeah.
Tickle his taint.
No, it's tickle my taint.
Are you tickling his taint?
You touched my taint.
Don't touch that taint. You have to pay for that, son. It's not a free touch.
This is where he
If
put
you
it.
want to tickle, you got to get in there with $1. $1
Dollar
per
bill,
tickle.
yo.
$1 a tickle. Hey, I'm gonna mess up. Fucking hell. Frick Poppy built that for me. Poppy,
Good
come
trick shot
save
it,
me.
dude. Holy shit.
Holy shit, you just sound like a gay. Oh!
Yeah, that's why he's bricked up for me.
Goddamn fucking gays.
Goddamn gays always out here fucking trying to push their agenda. You go to
Don't talk
school,
to
you
me
got
like
your own
that, boy.
agenda. Catch that. Poppy, catch this piece of wood. It's the wrong kind.
I think I'm $100 and then shove it up my ass.
I got a bone if you want to pick it, if you know what I mean.
You got a what?
I got a bone if you want to pick it, you know what I mean.
You got a what now, sir?
Bone, I got a bone if you want to pick it, son. You got your hard of hearing. Let me clear out your ears.
You don't see me now, don't you?
Yeah, you do. You're black as hell.
What the? You don't see me.
I see you, Pappy. You're a terrible shot, too. Oh, my God, you shot my dick off. I spoke too soon.
Trick shot it, dude. You like that
How many-
trick shot?
How many times is my dick gonna fall off, Pappy?
Trick shot.
You gotta hit one of them. That wasn't no trick. You were right in front of me, traitor. Pappy thinks he's good at the game, but he's just cheating. Look at that, not even having to trick you.
Damn, I can't sit. I suck.
Yeah, I keep hitting you though, don't I? No cheating involved. I'm 360. No scope your dick. I don't even got no energy to run.
Don't you?
Headshot. Shut your head off.
Because we're not little fucking faggots.
Come on, man. You gotta hit me already. You suck at this game.
Bro, I'll smack you with the revolver. Fuck is you talking about?
You have missed me like 16 times in a row. I've hit you almost every time. Look at you. I mean, 2 times total out of them 30 shots. Son, you need to go back to the shooting range and practice.
Yeah, just take those dicks in your butt.
Trick shot it.
Fucking faggy.
Hey, Mr. Poppy,
What do you want?
is this what you do for fun on the daily?
Nah, I'm bored, man.
Yeah, I can tell, because this is kind of boring. Yeah, hacked your penis off. Now you're like me, no dick. You're not bricked Poppy, you're
No.
brickless Poppy.
Yep. You want to know how to cheat though?
No, I know how. I don't do it, though, because it's for the lames.
Yeah, is that I want to start server, but you know what's crazy? I haven't even finished the game.
Well, and see, that's why you suck. You haven't even finished the game, and you're over here cheating. You cheat when you beat the game. That's when you can cheat. After that, that's when it's fun. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
Then get some fucking friends, you stupid faggot.
Is he still talking to you? I can't even hear him.
No.
People
Yeah, go get your people, like the ones that don't have American
You
documentation.
finished the game?
Go get them to go
We're
play
finishing
the
the
game.
game right now, but somebody's interrupting and blowing up stuff. We only just got the game like 4 days ago, though. And we just have people keep coming like you to kill Kelvin. And then you kill Virginia.
I did not kill Virginia and Kelvin.
People
bro.
like you. People like you.
Oh, so you got all that legit, like the katana and shit.
The what can shit?
You got it legit. You got everything legit.
Yes.
What you need though? You need ammo. I'll put everything back, bro. I don't want to really
You
get
can
serious.
have this. Oh no, I saved before you come. I know better. I'm not dumb.
Huh?
I learned my lesson when it came to old boy.
Here, I'll give you some skin pouches.
I don't want them. I'm gonna fucking throw them away.
Watch out, that's just code for testicles.
Are you trying to show me your testicles, son?
What else you want? You want armor? I'll give you some armor.
I have armor.
You can finish the game with some good armor.
I already have the good armor. Over here, you can see if it's still there, if it wasn't blown up. I had the armor maker. Well, it was right here. It was blown up.
Why you drop this armor, man? It
I don't
was
want
good
your
armor.
fucking armor. It smells like cheese.
Pick it up.
No.
Why not? Sussy baka.
Gay homosexual. With no life.
Hey, you guys, wait. How far have you guys been right now? You guys, what you have gone?
I drove to the liquor store around the corner this morning to get me some beer.
You see, you're fucking around with me, man.
You're fucking around with me, son. Came
You
in here
came to
fucking
Fucktown
around.
and you're not happy you getting fucked.
Where's Mr. Weston? We
Shut
need him
up,
to take
man.
care of you.
Get fucked. I like the pain. I just
Feel
jerk
like
it
this
off
is the
right
one
now.
time in life you get to feel
If
tough.
you guys are trying to play legit, you guys make an open white server.
Because we don't give a fuck because we're gangster.
Oh, I like that.
I know this is the first time since you got out of school this morning you felt tough, though. You're like, finally, Mom, I get to tell these kids off. They think I'm famous. They think I'm cool.
Hold on, Mom. I gotta get on the internet and call some kid a faggot.
Mom, do you know? Mom, you might as well make me them Hot Pockets. I'm feeling pretty tough today. You hear my laugh? That's the laugh I do at school when kids make fun of me.
You know, you want some respect at school, you go ahead and fist your teacher with your full fist.
This man doesn't even know what a fucking school teachings is. He's fucking dumb. This man can't even buy the Slurpee because he's not allowed in the liquor storings. You're not even allowed in Poppy. You're not even bricked up. You have a baby penis. Do you think you know what it is like? You have no idea, man. You're over here at 17 years old, still playing the video games by yourself and just terrorizing people. But all you're doing is looking stupid and smelling worse than me.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking nigga.
You do not even know how to talk correctly. You come in here thinking you're cool, but you don't even know what cooling is. I
You don't know what
decapitate
fucking
you.
cooling is, you fucking.
What even kind of accent is that supposed to be? This man doesn't even know.
Oh, I think I killed your fucking friend.
You don't want to do this, my friend. Look, I have your head in the stickings.
Oh, no shit!
I have an idea. I have an idea. Watch this. I actually kicked you first.
Oh shit.
It's okay, I kicked him right after. And I was like, well, I gotta leave it because we gotta reload anyway.
Oh, that shit was hella funny.
He felt so cool.
He's like, look, I got the cheats and stuff, and it's like, I know how to use YouTube too, you fucking faggot.
I can go to mods.io also. It's very simple to install mods. This isn't 1998.